Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha, Amansane, Winyano baby. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Aba.
Ma ehefo akwaba enfamra Sinupi live on Kumawood television. Ende nyamia dom menya the member of parliament for Menchia North constituency, Honorable Akwasi Kunadu ewa ene no benyamre na yedi nkuma akra hwe. Na sense bebre ene ekoso my Ghana, especially in parliament. Speaker and the course ya approve budget and other related issues na fe enyamren so ahwe constituency society is equal but doom so also eguso wo the NPP accept say doom so ana say bia omobeka say well enye doom so nemum nkane ano na ye ho adwuma ebenyamre na yetumi edi nkomanfa asra mabafo moboa me edi dwumade no etumi edi Abramala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center elkowatibie ukoha malam beboa osanso na Tawhid na Topathic Clinic Kumasi Odu Madam Catherine fire sabia kese pa eno no oyi eno free wa God's way caskets wanya yi nkwa debra na ontumi emwa my mo na bakwaba na afi yenhyase entumi eninko ona bakwaba
se Mike mejoso
odama bi abakọ de
jana dumo brohu nti ye hoye pa
3 months parliament is saying
say jana dum parliament boko but my main fa kwanya isu na menchia ni panumbi omuna ma 3 months parliament edumedie a yenya etimi akwa akodi amenchia na menchia no from Pesuasofo timemfo menchia no de from constituency menchia na nanu ahemfo menchia no na menchia asofo mpanifo menchia no na menchia me party executives of menchia no polling station coordinators, council of elders and patrons because omuna ka ho bi ene yankopon na momonsa so de edu ba bia de edu ntina waza me de enchi ade mom amfa mass antimai the party wa Ashanti region regional minister regional chairman money ade and even national
okay
because omuna na akra party na kakra create na etima be dimu bia ene ye de ababedum pempen so be small my Ghana so first that 3 months into parliament them say net day was me and pepe
wow
it's been engaging, time consuming and it's been very, very, very evolving for me because from the initial onset near my anyhow our parliament do any city any done in the whole corner it's been very, very wonderful. Though say be an anticipated, but immediately we got into the house, people like us here realizes a son
okay
yes because of COVID-19 maybe are not a walk I different about 2021 I feel a near call looking at the numbers that we also had money and then any government business I bet me about more minor and my own say it will be very, very engaging and involving
okay
okay
so far managing 137 minority no monum kita hodi at saying obeka say a common first of money deal of parliament so far nominees of penny de koye omo atimi approve diama and other debate across of parliament no with me like I say minority no have been helpful
Oh, it is not going to that direction. Say, have they been helpful? But first time also Fifi.
Okay.
Now Kafi is the answer. Because we be wanting be boa. I was our boa. Okay. Yeah, fanisa. So you put on boa also boa. On the call 137-138. No, ama say I'm two because I need to be in the 7th Parliament assessment. Okay. Because I want to be hobby. But now the mean say our bonding, our cohesiveness, no, are very strong.
Oh, okay.
Yes. The dedication to one another and the need for us to be together. We share a common purpose and a common ideology. See a beboa. I'm a Jumedi as the MPP form of government. I'm His Excellency Nana Danko Kufuor, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baoumi. And here are doing work to me according to him. As well as and we are doing that to perfection. Maybe in the initial onset, a Dana Juni Dikaino, maybe initial Dikayan Sanka. But realizing from that, any the calamity, it may even bring this country, any governance system in it. And I'm not bonding. I can be very strong. So no be here one. It says if you can't beat them, you then have to join them. So no who na it will call for say. And when you say the air and the quiet, the air and the babu they will come on board. They are no monkey town, you know. But those are there will be the ups and downs, money are there. But the generality is that Parliament is functioning well. Okay. The government business is also going well. The bomb is a bit to also some more my gun and put to an anymore.
Okay. Now more committees. Yeah. All committee beso.
Or more poverty reduction strategy committee one. And I'm a committee of health committee also. Yes.
Call Parliament in 3 months. One make a statement of Parliament. Yeah. But near him say mukwa and easy sir. So we make a statement of Parliament. Oh dear no. I didn't see it because I know who Unia Penny John Kuma, I make a statement. Kingsley Nyako, doctor, I make it, and then Unia Kuma, and now, okay, maybe age mate.
We my community. My friend bracket.
Okay. Most of me now make a statement our Parliament. I say because in a central region here, you say constituency because of one piece of cop 3 times. We are crown Casa Crown Parliament that.
Okay. Maybe one, it tells you the caliber of the new crop of people I dare call. Okay. And it's a Dihuna I call Parliament. And second, so we first them do leadership of our party also. Because Aquanian in but if you can see one amount you, Okonebus your penny equatua, Wabo Frano Concotrase. Okay. It is a Busia penny baby party and Oma Wabo Franos baby pie at the Atana. But on the committee on health. Okay. So we read the budget in every year, no, we are finished. There are committees, and that is where we go to do the appropriation. No one sending money a day. We are near the butt to the floor of the house and make an argument. One can do say, a BSC but we are a trauma health ministry, a trauma agric ministry, a trauma we money a day. More near from a boss, Abrano, a Mexican was a ministry money. I didn't call health committee. And money and the Mechaman honorable fee. If you just say,
oh, okay.
Yes, and
are you?
Oh, okay. And a vice chairman, so no Boise East, doctor. Yeah, at least we and money, and then be here say, you make an argument why a committee needs to say, budget the trauma health, no, that is over 8 billion, no, be here looking at the current condition and situation on my Ghana home with COVID and its related issues, money a day now. So what happens is we have committee meeting, we are now with the banner report and back to the plenary. The minister responsible, our committee, you know, weapons were done because health committee will be the health minister. He would then move the motion. Okay. Say, we say we are a budget for this, we are into money and then the committee chairman would give the report and money and then they will call a call for other members to support. Okay. But in this particular case, you know, there was only a call for one person from the majority and one person from the minority. Okay. And Yamiadma was nominated to do that. Then in Abia said, Jumedia Yedi, Adikodia Yehum, what deliberations, you know, and make a forceful argument for them. Okay. And I would want to say this, and I will continuously say, I be able to say a core committee, no, you all realize one authority, Food and Drugs Authority. For instance, can you name some more? Once you were capping retention of IGF money a day, any day they consolidated money a day. Canada more bear, I think about 34%. Now they have about 50%. But they call no mudim money and it called for say. Even the babu aquani being increased or more cap any their mom. FD. Yeah, retention at their mom. Sebeya, they would have enough money at their disposal sebe ya ombitimi dia run omu dwumadi a omudi.
Okay.
So as also the Ghana National Ambulance
yes,
Service.
Statement, no, you touch on the ambulance service.
Yeah,
so and the Quebec say for now, we are okay. Because previously now had number for ambulances in the country, the staff are because an anchor you okay.
Yes, because you're okay. But as the country grows, money we need to also grow. Okay. And how do we go about sustaining the Ghana ambulance service? You see, I don't think about the argument that you would make for budget and appropriation ministry be agency be money, they are very key and very critical. Because we feel bit like 8 billion. At the end of the day, but what me Ghana ambulance service now the president and government would want to add 100 more of these ambulance services. 2, they would want to find ways and means that a bit decouple and I see a bit decentralize even the repairs and maintenance of these ambulance services. Secondly, also, some more response time crabby.
Okay.
Because for instance, if say share so constituency your ambulance in Kwankra 5 or more, the response time might be here and there are a lot of them also in the system. But the other question is only a dedicated source of funding.
Oh, okay.
So that's it. Only a dedicated source of funding. It's a national health. A dedicated source of funding through that money. So there should be an argument that should be made for them. Only a dedicated source of funding. Now, ambulance service in between national blood.
Yeah,
national blood service. And yes, a COVID by a question committee. So there are certain things you and I would not even have known. Could you imagine that they had what they term as the COVID-19 convalescent plasma treatment? Yeah, the more warm we are critically ill from COVID. Let me ask some no one that say be a do 10 year recovery rate in Ukraine also. They have an act, but they don't have an airline.
Okay.
Airline and the by a bomb reckoning no buy so that more operations will be spelled out. All of these things you need to advocate for them. The mom is not just say but with the guidance of leadership, leaders or committees, we did justice to that.
First time now make a statement of house, no, not saying.
Oh, it was quite normal for me. I must be very sincere, not normal. Maybe because it be my church in the pain and also count. And a true, I will be coffee as now. You must learn the rudiments of it.
Okay. And
I said, be a idea. As will be Oceania, you have to do your proper research because only Parliament is a house of records. And DBA can be and I will say when you are so near no choir seminar where then oka. That will not generate unnecessary argument. Just say any no class and work continue it. So to be Biana Zanabe and also why you're researching. So now we're consulting. You don't necessarily feel that with the only BBS will be here. You have to consult. Say them call here me why don't you say why you do say no we now can in boomer now you're branding then you can put it out there well.
So any mention of member of parliament honorable Kwesi Kunadu and then a member of health committee in parliament and then poverty eradication committee reduction strategy committee in parliament and no AD and komo ye twa ho enya ba fon krato mra ye ba emeto aso
animudia me manfo nyi bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da
okay
Kwesi da edwo da ebana da okuoda yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne timi emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wodi no aye den ɔno be ma hyia pa na nsuo no nyina saba
samba bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba mekyerɛ wo kwan no wo be hu na say ɛbɛyɛ mmerɛmmerɛmmerɛ
okay
a wo bɛnyem easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ɛne danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center ɛbena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ɛne ne nhyia ɛwɔ Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ enwura sunsumu ɛna sukɔ na ɔhaw ɛda wo so no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri hɔ ɛmfa ɛma wo ɛtwerɛ yare bia ɛdam wusika ɛna ayera na wɔhwɛ ɔjapade bi na obi ɛnam kwa bi so agye afiri nsɛm utu gold ɛna opɛsɛ onya ɛmoa anaasɛ ebi akontuo ɛnema ayɛden ama wo ba no ɔda so dwonso anaasɛ akontuo ɛnema ayɛden ama wa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tienie kwaw atibie Eastern Region ɛhɔ ɛna Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru hɔ bɛbɛ pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo bɛfrɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw right yensan ema makwaba yeguso a yedi enkomo extensively ye hwe aban be boso miensa Ghana for ede ema no se mfie 9 onfa yenko niema ya sisi masebedwamu na afi mine ankasa enyina mu no na ya ne MP for mention of honorable Kosekuna do edi honkomo honorable mensa mu akwaba afi yenhwe ekoba ne say na ase house ho no obi ho na watena wa mfie 9 mfie nwotwe no nkasa adawo ebi munim kasa ana say bia ukoye no say no wate no
eno de obi samisa na ne nche mu be den kakra cause do na so be gina wa ni pa no so
okay
ansa na be a leadership but in all of it no so no I was say wa no so no enema bi daddy e wo dwumede because most of the job na in the parliament e committee level
okay
but at committee level no so that is where enema ni na daddy so ye jaima we say onko gina ya nam nko kana e mayen a obetimi aka
okay
it was say dwumede ni na wo ye no committee no so no na wo ma wo powers ni so aye de adadi
okay
yes bi ya wo ya je say yakotena committee ntine bi ya wo to there bi and you must also have good relationship with the entirety of the members now because somebody can be very very good, extremely very good, but the big now we need good interpersonal relationship. We can a temperament money at the he doesn't come across as somebody who can espouse and near mass or the sharing some money at him. All those balance in work. And some be a nipana and casaso by nature. Obi also new be obi or less talk more action and also so that's will be also a blend of both. And also but in all of it you must always come prepared.
Okay.
That is the most important. You must always come prepared. But now my country will be say, in our current parliament here, it has only taught me one thing, that at any point in time, no matter which caucus I want, will be called upon to do enema, because we are 137.
Okay.
Fancy be a bit more committee leader crying one money a day. We try a bit to turn up also for a day. For 30 minutes money a day, and there may be a need of a DB pie as you put it across because you are the only person who can also explain it very well. It is the ones when you're prepared for it money a day. It will give you a lot of problems.
Okay.
Now may conquer namely constituent Bakushia. So he happened to have penned down a note and not the money. So when I read the note, and it was all about Mofra Mayor, as they say, there is a growing concern of young men and women in cry or more traffic more to
sure.
And that is a concern that
one for so begging for attention to be drawn on some of these things. As you mean, so only a amount. So if you don't come prepared, now when to me spouses had even on the floor of parliament for a national debate to be called upon, not send a baby to me abwa near year for your money there, then it becomes also a problem. So these are some of those things. So you can prepare yourself and you make sure so you get yourself involved in the processes. Okay.
If you prepare, no matter how well you prepare, that process is not here. Nobody will give you that effort for you to also then put up.
Right. My share my preparation bill, my passy 129 billion, and I expect to say fee. The rebel mine on Ebra, but I'm not with that. Introduction of new taxes. A lot of Ghanaians have been complaining. Say COVID aba. Some countries cry no. COVID debris mu no kwa na yes san so man no man asene but yeah memu de you are adding up to our burden. Why do you
look as a country will be so my independent BSC? We probably be talking about be a US and that is more checks money at it. But the economics for can be based on use what we term as quantitative easing. They print more money than they put into the system. It be a and we don't even have to do that to increase monetary supply in the system. Taxes no so there but now specific taxes. Money at the Bible man. At the back who see nation and so say how 2020 was planned. Ghana and Puntu and even the growth rate, you see money a day in COVID destroyed it, and you Ghana. Go to some other countries. And you panum be or more Dutch in cheap bicycle, they see a friend pension, and only a more redraw be a usuye. So the country no crab one son as a more redraw more pension be as a source of direct income now, and a more use in the system. By the taxes are ban, taxes are one. If you say COVID-19 recovery levy a deba, yeah, the Baba Bois, Sebeya Agenda 111, where we are building 101 district hospital, district only hospital, medicine hospital be at Bikwakuswo. 7 regional hospitals, near rehabilitated Fiam Quanta Regional Hospital. Yeah, you see 2 psychiatric hospitals, as to the account. Her baby is all called Bia East and West. The average traveling time will be to me Quanta is almost about 8 to 9 hours. And I say ASMC near the Nipanumukra Eba referral centers, the different referral centers, that is regional and certain municipal hospitals money are there. The pressures that these hospital faces to all of these things the day banu idea was seeing now as Ghanaians, so nobody and they are comfortable with the introduction of taxes money and that is why His Excellency in the first mobile we abolished almost about 15 nuisance taxes because taxes will be why if you say a hard gain and money and then a 2 billion will be a pet see one konya any one can be anke 2 grand but we mu the baby boy na citizens, that is citizens and government you as partners for development.
Are we paying for the goodies?
We are not paying for the goodies. Because the year it is only going into certain direct and because hospital any goodie. 111 hospitals here it is not part of the goodie will be here. And these things we are still enjoying.
By His Excellency,
goodies are still being provided in the budget, money are there. The payment of it. If you go to other government expenditures, money are there. All of these things are in there still going to pay.
His Excellency the President during COVID, one of his address can say, well, we make sure all the districts are in the government hospitals and then he gave a timeline within a year. We have less than 3 months for that year to end.
What the president says that within a year,
it is 7
between the say the beginning of construction, a maximum a year. And secondly, nobody anticipated COVID would have a second or a third wave. The whole world, nobody anticipated that. It for plans beyond one another, and might be experiencing third wave, it be experiencing a second wave. The plans beyond not bearing in mind because you can't anticipate. Because we a natural idea by whatever means beyond money idea na etreko. It's planning beyond planning and I say beyond what we share beyond. Untimi nkase ne maye madwen say because I could see 87 district hospitals at that time and money ade enti no say eno na me de kwa kosi na say yare no asa amani muso a eno untimi nyai ma me nkɔhwɛ yare na me ntackle yare no ba me fa nkosi asipiti money niema na me kan. We need what first and foremost to make sure say nipa nkwane ya bo ho ban. That is why the president says I know how to bring back the economy but untimi fa nipa life ma. So for whatever plans that he had to bring about these physical infrastructural development money at the end, he needed first and foremost to make sure say nipa nkwan ho aboban say be nipa ni wie no nyankwan with make all these development and what on. And now me know ka say government is trying as much as possible say you bring a herd immunity. That means about 2/3 of the population, you need 30 million of people meduasa. If more people medu you know there you bet me abo won panie I find vaccines in be will be a 1 ton. Do you know that how much that is going to cost this country? In excess of 929 billion. 929 million. Any day kwa. And it is based on calculations away.
million or billion?
Million. 929 million.
Okay.
And Ukraine is based on calculations away and vaccine are used in a cost. And you know why? India is experiencing a third wave. It will produce They put a temporary hold on the sale of some of these vaccines. It is driving even the cost. A one vaccine, it is driving it up. It means that we need to top up. It will bet me a catch and say, and now see a near density, Diego. And one thing bear in mind, for most of these district hospitals in Inano, according to the minister, no about committee contract the year has been awarded. Feasibility. But there are places or more the because it is assassin or more the Mayano. Assassin ain't mean supporting me and Fanny. If one in Suwadem, if you are nay baby, here assassin won't send be kind be brain about almost close to about 15 or so crowdy. And also why I hang it. Okay. But say you say money most near here see a boy a drone a boy and panya say be benya one in a daching puntuni a mad daching yet me at nasi ya homu am a queen anymore. Near will say scared the way the cotton vaccines and a banana any pageant because he see a quack or hospital nanki a jai crana. No. Honorable, we are say doom saba. Say can you know a doom now so in any case a can you doom so if any doom so. Okay. And yes. Extensive doom so. No, near extensive doom so. I mean, being in this country, I have to do some in few. Okay. But I dear Bakukra currently meet me. I can say, a beer, me then say, I need be an ever many pebian and kayas, and maybe I'm not doom so. This practically is not doom so. So we need a day. If you say, also we've been in this country, no, but also we've been in this country. I experienced doom so by 5 years. Yeah, 5 continuous years. Good. We see a chance here, be 1 month. For me, I can say when you come to a hundred share continuous about 1 month, you experience doom so. So see a question man, you go so echo. What was the reason for the 5 years of doom so? What was the reason? What is the reason why you doom Kenya 1? So probably about a month ago, there was a total shutdown in the whole country. Grid systems now call for. So it's because everything is centralized. When there's a trigger, it affects the entirety of the whole system. Okay. And there back we here also me and say also I'm afraid be ball breaking, breaking. Say trigger call back so we can offload baby need the corner and the above so you am support it. Say baby to me one. And secondly, the Bimukaso Ashanti region is experiencing more of it. I will be away see die. Not dying any nache. Maybe I their best hostages so because slate near their body so. What's the slate near their body dance no? Now starting near you kakra. Sebi so won su to bring mo. On how piece will be pad dining now so abo. Yeah. You make sure say obe krakra ne kakra you feel su to bring near drop every man no pad dining so nyina. Okay. No was on why you need. The pylons money resistors money near me sisi near man be so na week. I am me. Because any Asante mine any Ghana mine e3 musi kono. We need to make sure that some of these wires, some of these infrastructure and near my wa a buama ye transport in one you produce transport me bedru ye feeling nan ye shemukina for the future that is ahead of us. So we as a Ghana mine puntu na ye nim se enam kwemu a ewo hwa eba no nye covid say nki atra de kono etimi agina ne brand and that's what we are doing. So we agree kwaka they are doing maintenance servicing of all of these things sebeya obinya a prolonged time a bit me abo many managers so na that be do maintenance dream a yemre say you only one line pe okay and you differ so maintenance into this year total shutdown of it you cross so mama yem say e be intermittent say be ene that dum so sana net here e be no kwade na wonkoto ene because tafun shia yeso na me be snaba program ya maybe maybe no mo nam pylons na efa free esiye waterfo esiye wa di twem efa ko mozongo kwan no so nyina no we do electricity for the grid for the pylons no so ka pylons a ene attention poles akese na nyina ma wodin kakraka ni nyina nemu no eno se obi gina so ye nyonti makania ni nyina so eno so na de kania yi ba to so mo replace resistors bi mu ni ade nyina wo so enti e besre yes ya hometisha se kania bedum e house kania bedum but the most important thing for us is say e betimi akra de e wo no ni abon wo ban ni ayi ni na extend ayi den amediako. Would you agree, sir? We COVID now, ya go into a lot of crisis. Amount for Juma, I could form money at the day. And see, at this time, one, can you do
I say from anopa be 11 edum ye no be 5 hours ni my mesan we sen ye bed na ye what that because now can any do more beduma ontimi nya hwe.
But you can't say yes, there is no better time than maybe now. Okay, I'm funny say yen na to say COVID-19 anuma die bia brass money ade. Tinka yen twen ni yen maintenance ni ye. What if the nyame amwaye? Na the system ni na shut it down quite entirely.
But I wish say yen nyina ye but enye say e bia na Greco for so anyoma dwuma ye in a way say e was say a nation like Ghana na ye see bia be 4 months. Mobile experience this because yeah routine maintenance and transmission repairs and those things no. Is that okay? Can we see this in our other countries?
No, you can, and it is most often done. Probably also abekono. The catch say we are going to have routine maintenance for this period. There will be intermittent. It do baby kwa krobi wa okoye se betu nsu to go so mo de car nam na me afie bia mu nsu. It is done everywhere. And then so man you dey. And nemebu had the anticipation of it no. Only say senior growth will be AC economy. Okay. It means say in fear do achi ansana meyen sisaye. Okay. But so all of a sudden no growth ni betimi acontem. Now for instance we are now anticipating so we are going at 3.5%. The maximum we are looking at about 5. It tells you say some wade aduonu go a ebi e be mfie 9 mu ansan the besa. But all of a sudden we say ebi e be mfie ba ko na okọ 7%. To wade aduonu go a ebi e mfie mienu pe. So it tells you say nti yabedu mfie mienu no. Na yebekọ ni mfie miensan ke nim se ni mfie 9 ansan na nsesan yebetimi aba ye be san nsesan yem. Na yabedu mfie mienu na abenti ye nyan twa mfie 9.
As a member of parliament,
you have to do it now.
As a member of parliament, you are from Kumasi.
Yeah.
Oba yenso no, mobile research kakra we say your experience.
Yeah.
Doom so no, not in an hour, but 5 hours. Would you also advise and I say state it in parliament say if your taxes no this year? You can say you sign the Arabic pay so MY because Juma was say ye need to me a boa money to the tax no. Because of doom so.
I said taxes are generated from revenue. Dodo na abaye no ho ne yaji ho sika. So it is not necessarily about say ketwe bi na je say the bi ba beto so amaye kakaka. Say ye ponko ye
the 5% on energy.
Yes.
Beto fuel.
Yes. Ye ponko wo dodo a obenya no so. And ye yaji wo so. E na de ba ko amanya e so ne say currently as we speak send your case me for santimem a me nua panyin Dr. Matthew Poku Pempe so hwe nyina ma hoden any punto so for santimem
of course o senior brother.
This senior brother
and then your friend, your mentor.
Maybe because I mean somebody with that leverage, that understand, that dexterity or you have to follow people or more calm kind. So I say that is why we follow people. And this is Siam Krofana Montu. People read the book from third world to first world, Singapore, Lincoln you. I don't know what kind. They take him as a mentor. Because what me age me DBA ufu se usu disana money chia betima koneni. Also for santimemo. Enti G2 mam say enye boa payo mo bibia ba se be ya e kine bi no ye mehia nkwanhie be yin asagisi any say. So now we have to have alternative routes. Okay. E kwantia foforo dodo a se kina kwan ba ko ho ka e kwan ba ko ho a ebeboa. Eno dwumadi ni we dey na so we nana muntu a wotu okọ great co. On na mo hwe dwumadi ni nyina se be ya obetime nya ni nyina kraboa baako wetime atwene prekope ama bibia so atwa right ya fa sa gidie ni ntachi
yego so any mention of member of parliament honorable Kwesi Kunadu na ye no edi enkomo aseda enkomo God's Way Casket Shop Kumasi asafufun daka na say ye hu na bia na ko na omutimi emwa sa so na Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center e ko wetibie Malam Sebra na onhwe wo ha bia na fakoda no nyamedam no so na onso atimi abo na afia aseda enso enko enfamata heed na topate clinic madam Katri for asabia kese ba ko wasante bantem ha bonde letu na mabra na omo entimi enhwe onabo yeah, the history of mention of Obana, a lot of challenges, a lot of promises. Yeah, can be very so far 3 months. Mention of the same.
Was a lot of promises. You know, be married. Okay. Maybe me do me day na me catch you say one. Me name team for never be day. Because they know the challenges, they know the problems in the class. There will be only problem, no challenge. We have no solution. Into Jumadi ni bia no money na ni make kan wonsem ni na hwasem na ne yeka. So far, so very good. Because where the problems we have in Menchia North are the kind of roads. We have enormous road challenges in Menchia North. Your bridges, Kutruba, ko Pig Farm, ko Rock of Ages, bra Brookroom, bra Moshizongo, bra Yenyaoso, bra Krofum, all aspects. Tinyame adom na nse ya enene na wotwe mi enza pepepe. Ene hydrological engineers, ene Ministry of Works and Housing for. Nyame adom ni apanyina so. Yes. We dey koto nanim. Oyi aboafo ni apamfo ni adwumadifo ni ma mo ka me ho se yemra ni me take inventory ni emehwe se ni project no na the techs ni etitie say ukra be bi mo ni ade a ye corals ko hwe ni nyina. Those are some of the challenges. You identified about 10 bridges ni nyina ye collapsed. Nsuo na washing away mo ni ade wona makwan no so na wese ni akwan ni city a. These are the challenges.
Ukwan so let me say rules in the nyakra ho.
Say enye because maybe everybody say na ka but nyame adom mo say kakra His Excellency starting the first year of roots no. Nyame adom ndi etimi ye amoni ade currently even as I speak. Nyame aboa ya me etimi alobi ama. Ekwan na Chinese for ni yoko baby to say Brookroom Estate emergency na dem contractor. Okay. O mugusu ntudu abase na wo fu akose de yoko efla won sani fa so kwan na de dem fa A line ni honi na yeye. Where ye from South Africa now so the BCST junction. Nyame ye aduma ye de bi mba kan wodi ewra quarry any dote any duase and a Brookroom proper. Cause all kwan na biem fa Brookroom na akosi abase. That is one of the major roads as nya ye wia menhia ni beti. So these are the challenges that we face. Ni nya radia do ye de atom panyimfo ani ni panyimfo aba behwe. De aka ye so na muntu a ye betuo ade akire ni tempeso. So as obehwe ko baby me for the triangular. I went out for a triangle, so if you Moses Zongo, now if it's a shares, now if you now so I'll be pin baby, a filling stations, me and you good. The whole say what tea came watching, didn't cry for Confanochi International School anymore. At their coin share, yes, sir. And I asked them Kakra. He didn't come about the home say, if he's outside one year corner, Confanochi International School and one day, I work at a municipal. But because they are adjoining constituencies, meaning me, I create the one command, ye call, but I dear back when they say, in 50 one. And now we see any free strawberry, you know, so achi wona akofa de chem we potro na ba ju fele chi woni nyana ho nenam na bridge na na covet no ada ase oni sha. Okay. The hydrophonic say this is PSR bridge na wo from money. To whatever the case is anyone ni ya kwa na ebegu e wo no a ebe man su no trust na be yira fa ho e yira fa nkrofo afie e yira fa ni nyina ka bridges na ba be hwe no ntom de aka emergency one na nyame ya adom a anyone ni ya ye ba be ye yet me bie when man sani ayen samso no de afaso ne egu kwan so ti bonze be kona nimu no na sa adwumade we nyina no kwan na ho atoye ye nua no wo dote truba mo ne ade ni na so nyame adom e da kon kratem ti ye be di akira make sure say ye be hwe ne ye nya ne kwan mu sa so that life kan no ko dote ko kware mo ne ade a o fa truba o fa South Africa wo kwa economic activities kwan na vibrant a lot of cars for ko Kenya ase cause enemy nua Kwabri East Honorable Francisca and Boshie, we've discussed all of these matters. And when you had the Boama, Honorable Senso, Emma Hydro, because hydrological engineers nation as Anna works, Department of Works and Housing Association, as and these things boil within the same framework on Babe. It's in Yamia Duma, you go to the home como. You said British Munyamba Eberboa, Page Medina starting a year for
COVID. That's so. Yeah. Before our local parliament, now we had donations, Bob for.
Oh, me go so yeah.
Okay.
And one donation kwa we be di kan kra be chair. Na we say be school na no. We ba be ma school ntade. We be ma PPs, nose masks, sanitizers. Seminar dey ho exercise books money ade because say na work no. And am say COVID ni ba enuanom na ye maame nom ene mo fa ne tena FHA. Ti be kwa hu ye hia. Mo bi kra na tade kra no sebi. E bi e wo hu be kra de agu. Ni nyina ne be boa ma yate ebre a yawofo no be koso. So be kwa kopesa ni menim ti be donate over about 1,200 pieces of school uniform. Edema schools a woman share north money a day. Exercise books to the mom PP. Nancy Anna crack, Quesia de Tremmy, a command can a sorry Brookroom Estate for susment because I'm with my sorry dime. No over 2 men in the common movie. I
sorry, see, I saw down, so just MP of Wow.
Said the woman say, yeah, bois, ya bra bomum puntu, so near prayer home, so and among two. And I'll see me in your own shame, dear. And if I need be dear, own shame, dear, sorry, you're my baby, I'm thinking. Nina said, there be a maker, we see a bit dear bano, baby, dear baby. In puntu in there, to me, mamma, and will be as soon to me, and one would be in Nadaco. But see, near one tear, see near what would send your chenny penny as a shenny pa, will be answered by Canada, and old my dear needy. I'm fucking as more a man tear be near a boy for visual crew from. As they stay, do ye, a mocky cow, muhubo, mukaka, some bay. Games a beboa na den kabo mu no odo yesu we achi ti wasori no betimi aboa mi na de akoye no nti am organize football na had the opportunity to graze it on Monday galamonia there e kama e do odo ni Kenya foforo de aba empese no se si am no kasa so no ye dwumadie ne de e kwa na mo foforo ya boa ye ho a ye ba beti abeboa won na osuansa no dwuma no ye ba be so won ase so ye welder so ye adipamni so ye shoemaker ya boa ye ho ye ba be so mo ase se be be fa ye nua no nkuma ni bi omo so atimi atrain wo mo ye be mo mfidie ye be mo eniema ne academy be na even kra no yeso atimi asa ka wo mo abo mo by giving them certain small contractor omo de be boa no metimi de akire ye nua no made. This is the project the next on the line and yami adne be yes I be invite na mo amasa be cover say de be am cover my ya kira man say am obi ehunu ni ayede.
How do you see the future of Mensianoff as a leader?
Oh, me as a leader, one, to say that I'm a leader. With the crop of people I'm wanting all the constituencies, I see Mensianoff to be very bright. A prosperous constituency, well developed, well natured, because me nkahoda as a member of parliament. Me come bread do bia me ko nyankopon de bedom ya nipa o Mensianoff be kam ho ametimi akobi obi beba. So you have to nurture the constituency, make sure the constituency develops well in harmony, peace and very cohesive nature. Baby aye nyina ye wo do ne nkambo mu ne adwumadi aye die no ye hihye ne pepepe mu obi anya ne so ne de mede nkan kroba eno no ho dwumadi ne babedi. It will call for the collective effort of everybody. Me as the leader ne there, I will carry all of these suggestions, opinions, money challenges na me de mesua hunu e de aiden e de abata ho na me de mesume skills kakra no so amase anya na experience ne knowledge ne de aboa me akone. And I see Mensianoff to be a constituency everybody would envy in the next years to come. Right.
Honorable Kwesi, this is Sinupi. I have two major questions for you. Me here, not less than 30 seconds response to that. First one, how do you see the current Speaker of Parliament, Nisu, Nijuma ye, and the coordination of Parliament?
Well, challenging, but it's manageable.
Honorable Chairman Sabunsu, your leader.
Yes.
Was say it will be an unwise decision for my party, no, NPP, to elect somebody to lead a party after another Okufuado. I can. What are you doing? And I say, some kind.
It is an opinion that he is sharing. Oh no, ye nano, ye koyenim, sabi I will break the 8. Si anyi obia dwencheni ankasa dwencheni nyina to make one decision that will move this party forward so that we can break the 8. Na ya anyade. I didn't know was can obi kasa bo ahye in these matters. In as much as the person says it in a manner, we all can sit and dialogue about it. So that's it. But it's about how the spinner obi di beto so no any aneme dey asem ne ba. Because we work out with him krana, we so chim am e say it was very insulting, but I don't find it that way. Na dwen kire say ebe ha dwen say ebra iwu no ye be fa obi a oya kan ni de naba. I don't feel say busa ne sa dentia. Our party is a conservative party and but we must add pragmatism to it, bearing in mind modernity and the time in which we are. And I'm what the cars are saying.
But me open.
Or your party but with the vice president or Kwame Pe. The Jumedia would say.
Alan drop and step aside.
That would be a decision for him to take, and the decision for this party, the delegates in the party at that time to take. Obi aba be kanasem. Ebe who be more than money will be a Jumedi. Any DC and so I press here to break the 8. Who will be best fit for us to break the 8? And no discussion here be.
Honorable, Yanasi, Erasipa, it say na yetimi edin komo. And oko house na win opportunity na waka kire aban no as education sector ho mo na ninko
say you need call break mu no because we am any alcohol sabi because education is the backbone of this economy. So they say and of this country na money there. If we have a well educated population, if you see you can be well sustained. That means you maframa any atimemufo ni adesua de ye humu ekonanimu enema ye ni na betimi atena wache. Education dey.
Briefly, your take on media houses are showcase comfort jumadi loto forecast jumadi malamfo bi mo jumadi a nei kaswa akoba se nkola below 20 years etumi akuma akola bi said no kwajiska true as a member of parliament what is asemi a hadwen hamu emu pusa.
You see, this discussion should have been long overdue. There be a near can. When you say, I did be a cause when you statistics, you be because be a young brand or young regulating the money idea. Yes, yeah, you're right. Everybody has a right of opinion. Everybody has a right to do that. But there be a maker. We see the more we don't take care and elaborate on rights, a bedroom we will all be consumed by it. And idea about question is say. It influences the person's mind. We need to regulate it. And yes, because of Washington, but because Indian Susan Sobani will be so. Ebi Obim Kohebi, but say Abofeya Wahrin Queen because of Obia, I didn't influence any more Koyen. It's any panel. If in quote, near Gagini Pacono from not having an opportunity to go and watch side now, can Abofeya Okwibia and Dachobegana Mampeni. Ebian could be Ghana Freeman who badoko. But I feel that the discussion is now. Ebian Anki was here in that. But now we need to be doing that. We need to say a censorship crime. We need to be doing that. Maybe at prime time we should not be showing certain things. We should be showing creative and near Mofrano will be buying into that. That is what the television station should be showing. And if they have a time to be showing some of these things, it should be on a special channel at a special time. Be money at the no problem. But prime time money are there, and also TV, you know, of all the channels on it, digital television, you know, about the Kobe half. Obitua Oiska, Obitua Oise, Obayanyo here money are there. I feel say it is something that can corrupt, and it's corrupting the mind of young men and women in this country.
I was many honorable Akwesikuno, the member of parliament for Mention of constituency, and Inyamre, and no AD and Kombo. Emphasize and from Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center. What dear? And te se omo makano momode ne ko na malam entimi emo san so na God's way casket shop
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom asante memu a akomfo ne yedo do wasen nso boni ekoso no amro ben eya kristofo ene nkrembofo enti yenya me so na nya nkwase anya me na yeso obi owo amene wo kasa stroke achino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra enti difo no nim to de yesu no de motia ba fie difo mu obekọ puppet so jo owensa difo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no malam hwe na onyi emfiri ho emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na hwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayeden amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayeden amawa bra Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwau atibie tienie kwau atibie Eastern region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwau atibie uduru ho bebepa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo befre 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 senenso se malam onye sikaduro onye double money pocket no dry azafo no mo yesa no ne kronkron original and Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center. And the Asia, a Benadabia 7 to 9 p.m. Our Kumawood TV, near found live our Unity FM, our Kumawood TV. Aya TV, na into me wow. Piao.
Well, our Pia, I'm sure you say free moon. Why the den? It was slower. We na fa kokko wi na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ma ye dena ma menti wo de we na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye diduma na ma me wai so wa e busa yenko nkumase na munko nkumase
Martin Luther
oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo se me na ma ya nke twene ni ahwedan yo na busu afani asoma me se me na me pada e wo kuma se akamara na me so ya chini ye nya da kai
ya nansani o nansani
nansa mo na wada so a mo hia me de woni problem kra wo be je di se me free Dubai be duru Ghana ana me na na kwabedantwi wo to na na mo ansia do ne je yi ne bo me so e wa brede me ni kapre odu obi na kire me grocery casket shop ah e wo kuma se labor haya me ko ho no ma anu musa ne me yes kan hye ye o wo de bi ntwa no misika ye di ma me se me famra no ani so abensu ye se me be ambulance na me sam fe de be de da no enka ambulance ani de be da ho omu ye ambulance service into ni problem kra ani na ye here ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase you know se kuma stay by plan o ye ko na mko kira o some Cosway casket shop ye wona ka me bere te se de mu hu ni na Cosway casket shop ye wo kuma se infantile town ye de labor office na ben Cosway casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
And ya rawo do ben na agi ni padua no aboso ya rebi ti se eni ya re akoma ya re wadum ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu ya re nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ne titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa e ma woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi ya ro hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic e wo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne wo Madam Katri clinic ya re nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agi atum se eye.
Right, yes, I am Makwaba and from the studios of Kumawood Television and Ifiada 9th of April 2021. Bosomo no na yakwa eze match na wumi bete gusto ye ko ye nim ene ye di enkomo na Ifiada theatre say the week in perspective enyamre na Ifri adwada ebisi ene nsema hodo a atwagu ewo oman Ghana enyamre timi di ho nkomo earlier on ye ne member of parliament for for Mensia North constituency honorable Akwesikunadu ne kokodi enkomo ekoho the state of Ghana parliament and affairs said the amambo no esi ekro what dey ono no so it me eka ye di nkomo ebra na enyamre enkenkan emfa ema omidin the Michael nana adma ko frame say Mike me guest atena say Sir Wallace Abebio administrator at the NDC in Ashanti region and the NDC amanyukuo no nyina do to niam ma wo mo Sir Wallace Abebio or sanso and Bantama constituency NPP financial secretary so ofurubempa on also highway na etumi edi enkomo asedan koma Godsway casket shop sanso and Tawhid naturopathic clinic Kumawood Training Institute and afi Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center nyina and I also asmede djumade no atimi dia bro so say intekra na won so do adwoton de ne ba na etimi abon daru etimi ede ama over the week some of the dawson chase week today and kaswa abrantie kumakra abofa kumakra 10 years na ni nuanom na say omo so omo no bot pe kakra 16 17 years omo etimi bo modern a na omo eko kokun no say omo akopesika duru ehun se mebre na aba oman Ghana benyamre na etimi edi ho enkomo na otwe mu so na ye wo energy minister Metopoku Prempe etu anamo eko griku na okoko he djubadi a ekoso eho ni nyina no eye dum so a ekoso across the country amenka da bia transa me kan say ha no mu dum no wia 1 no so nyumre 5:30 ne die omunya num no yenim se yakasa no medum no dia omunya enum no so today ECG am my power friend of panel ebesi sabri dum so won komo ebenyamre na yatumi edi wo chehene so de batu dwa say in fact sa community mining no ne galamse na yepe into no de abana na ahye mra say yenye community mining de na emom ochilance de enya de so makwan ama community mining ne kra no atako so e ho bi fi se omo nso kra no sense ase say ye nyapade ahodo ebenyamre na eno so yetumi edi ho enkomo free senior high school na otwi mu the minority batu dwa say in fact omo we say the AC kono asabane ni sika na be ka no kra akire o my Ghana for mo from final years from 3 for no mo koye obi ko do school ye sign esa omo say omo sign emre fie ene ho nkomo do so ebenyamre na yetumi edi ewa ha oni say the Ghana Police Service so e dey atudwa say so run hotel and as a guest house obi abeda ho bia no make sure so benye no ID card na onya no details ansana watumi amana abeda ho eno so nsema hodo ekoso so wenyamre na extensively yetumi edi nkomo nsema hodo akoso na watwi enso emu na enso ne ye nim se enso ne de ma dada Kumasi there a lot of places enso ma me be me say be 8 months enso emada last week and the bar na jo 1 about 3 and say try na 1 akwa so ba ye no ko minimum be awo said the situation no so esiti fa je bra enyamre enkan for better journey on Facebook Kumawood TV YouTube Kumawood TV me once again edit say Mike e mo akwaba nyabotre na afi enyamre eni enkobo so walas
say Mike
akwaba
dadan
if you boko
say Mike itimi hume itimi hume dia na je say eye
ba obi won so hume o but enye o obi oda no hume ne bad e better nye
oh je say
utimi hume koba
me say o nkwan wade say metimi free baby am wa ba ha ye
baby ai kama
na je say e di na say mo bade
motumi provide to the cadres no concern cadres of the NDC na omo pe pinsis no when ko to aba no so one by 14 days motumi provided them
say Mike we what in funny zamda
just
say a group of people supposedly belonging to a party at what we are say pinsis no family
I'm so muhu because moko court no motumi provide am court
enti won person muhu no ya den
na mo jitum sam pa wiam
won free constituencies bi won free polling stations bi won started from there no won collecting ra
o sa
na more constituency more polling stations yakoya dia wi a president hon yakoja di presidential candidate hon yakoja PCs say o electoral adi ni electoral adi for omo me eye adi enti o be go to the
election department
exactly now presidential candidate no ho na wo kwa kwaje we imagine say MPP go group because ye ko na do dan kwa kufu akwaje PC what is the logic in that
okay ozu sorry for bempa for yakwa
minia
boko there
nyame no do
bibi e koso kama
adom se tim ko mu ko ani humi die
sure
adom na so nyoso
mo so mo there no ye say say there say mo di kan declare say ni kwanza kan ni ebe the next president too
we never say obi and declare say ni say akanni ayo obi ne chere na dum just obi chere na dum just say ka say ni say akanni na be flag bearer there
okay na leader join chere no na entaso mu
oh say dem di kaka eye na join chere no chere and like what share your party na obi a wo akonya say ne wo butrim bia no nso ka ma bi leader chere na dum
entaso mu
oh what's an to him about Tasumu, but a bimu and Tasumu
to you.
Oh, to me, the here for now, and this is a breaking 80. Me, I was expecting leader to calm down, look at the grassroots issue, you know, rather talk about that one rather than say and go to that angle.
Okay, and I know be say. Opese mwa kasa mo chire mu brofo ida kan no wase otwi it be unwise ase oba kan say o de betwa be kan say
unia say dem become say leader eye na dwen chire
da bi o what chire ho no so o te ase so obi ka say it be unwise
oh leader person just say nyansa
te be jimi sem
oh enya sa no pa chire no so enya sa no pa chire
okay the person say
leader the person chire say
enye nyansa sana kan no
meba me bolu be ka say literally explanation am dey but the leader no person chire say the person chire say you bet me break 8 na say you bet me a enka ye momodin say kan ye be pe obi a onye akan ni so what you say e brofo no kan
okay so if we all heard him right it will be an unwise decision to have
say oh you should bro on wise no you over picking from that name literal way say okay but the opposite what you say
good
here
yeah why now no the teacher chepa what the teacher come retirement na also na won chere science nti bro 40 o de batwi mu akere do te bro 40 nti o de batwi mu akere wo fast bi a leader can say
oh and wise no say the financial adi kan en che say enye nyansasem
okay
e che say eyade a enkwaso mu papa eyade a ma say
okay so because it will be unfair any unwise no
unfair ni awa difference so unfair just say system kakra o
okay
unfair
it will be improper
and wise that is it okay. It will be improper say say wo hwe omomu free omya kanfo omomu yesimfo sie enyi hu ba ko enye ade a ebe kwaso mu papa enye ade a ebe ye papa si ebe yi obi a oye okan hu eyi obi a oye
and I believe you do agree with leader ana
say do mo sema eba ye de pe so ya kan ni so ye srim ni fine no ko kan ye kura said esrimfo na bi so my press conference
yeah I know
esrimfo na bi on television say ba umia no buy no onye hwe nti omo de omo pese obi kura boni dey say omra I just don't get it we nyina is a pointer to the fact say things are good for us
good for
NDC omo ye press conference was say Upper West not 2016 no more harmony say no more 5 and then year was 6 11 no Upper West American you and obusa 2020 no say almost 1
but how come northern region
almost
north east near the almost appreciate here
northeast almost there are 6 in the northeast almost 4 year 2
so in a way first no boom no but not entisa if you look at the member of parliament or me MPP 4 I move the 3 northern regions and the be 4
and this 4 doors to MPP
yes but me catch was the first no now bet me akoba with me na baby I 4 out of all but now no at least back akra they are pushing
omo luzu kakra north na me say 2016 Upper West no me 5 near 6 say omo 1 ye 10
northern regions where
northern region apai
and who got about me influence why ma mutimi
no more 10 2016
no
2016
well ebe cross check right go so di go mo so for agent no ebra enti nei some no edoso yemfa seda emfa ma Godsway casket shop kuma se e no wo say unya yenku a na o pese unya from that card be see this year no all kinds if you ho so price no so from pa asafo labor run about and omo bi a won so pese wutu eton ope ambulance han edo de se bi atomu ana se bi a ope yehu ne ma bia no a oba on betimi so abo 0243 457 0243 457 from na omuntimi enye go so ozu mention say oho some across over the week kaswa de mo frane de no oho the issue of illegal mining or checking there oka free SHS minority de kase sikani ho then after years kwa mo san go back and other issues of doom so mentio
yo me dasi be me nua je de kan me fa akonya so na match ya kurura ja ye na ye dan ba ko pe o to ko so na una na me mu so na ma fa akonya so na match ya me bantamafo kan me member of parliament honorable Francis Asenso Bache and then me chairman fee me say e to abawie o to ko jina ho me kakra
and them one no they have any fiti pa na ya to abawie na
don't worry what nka why
you o fe fi craft
and me need you komo won komo na di cheche bia o betin ka dia me free hanko ya kwa no ofro now my fakonya sana ma me executives mo bantima na including delegate wo bantima e free ohwim amanfo ebesi bantima ahembronum 1 and 2 michia obibia na machia mini apanyin ba ko owo forestry department Mr. Bodu regional storekeeper na mama ono so adwo minia me da say now otwi someone sisi dey bebre na me free chance you free yeah kaswa issue in fact I'm say and na watch na remember there was Saturday na case this year
I don't know Friday
yeah when it's Saturday
well okay
Saturday but me nya video no me nya video no more than 2 minutes ya dia hamakuma am ye say enkola 15 16 adwen bi say beba mutirim say ye kokun obi ede akwakoje schedule in fact it was something na yamahomete na me de susu mu say susu pass nka akwala na ekuku nso kokoye me ba say enanka me feel in fact dia ekoso no hadwen pa na ni nyina na kwa wie say yema mu say ne emre bia bedru a ye glorify obi a wenye sika but we don't question sources of riches the nya say o yema mu no aba ye nipa no the kura no the wenya as to how onya as a society any problem and that is what I was here first here na yedwina because yes animal we na ade a the pressure e ma nkola na biom we've seen we've heard a lot of people talking about how you see showcase some of these purchase price and money doublers and TV so in fact it is getting out of hand.
Okay,
seriously my point it is really getting out because ube so TV BTV I'm using me DJ boss I'm using I have almost about
300
because me who are coming share that now do no be na say oh per program me per movie pa especially the per movie that kind of gidi pa tutu me per it is me two we ya me per me nya and ubetimi change channels almost about 20 and 20 ni now continuously will be sending malamu na ye send ma na ye sofu bia obetimi sofu ko atimi ka say obi de wo ka bra na me mompa ma onia ba it is akola bi wo na so wo hwe sa anwoma we nyina minia ehin na ye direct akola no adwen so akọ so na nyina no eka na bewie wo entity a yede ma akola no ofie na sra wo pa say ye momode na ye ma ye ni enko ye ma because say wo hwe akola ya sa akola no mienu a but me share down your time and looking into their background. Okay. But you could see say the relationship between parents and some Kolawi, you know, and yet all that good.
There's about penny they were notorious power area.
Good. Because Akolawi, you know, 2 years you could see say the family upbringing, you know, sorry to say ain't me and you good.
Okay.
In the society. So Akolawi, you know, 2 years ain't me and you good. But say we na enkanwia we need to have time for young kola na your mom was push you on to enter school
now the information minister can say beya yemre bi environability gender ministry almost so edomanotum but the NCA debut it yemre bi environability that thing say we also we malam bi and as we use of be at free TV so now free TV so because of say also be say there
that is where the problem is. And I remember one time ago I listened to news we saw about this NC the same issue say we need the power to regulate content training with and I said aha because one are more lances if you give lances and you don't have power to regulate the meme show no
and you be no money power like in our setting no won't be pornographic movie okay but say obi to what you na so wadru what on the fledru how can we say the amount on the fledru
mo setting won't be pornographic movie fine but the same you know obi abetina so or the dupu obi but that's all right.
How do you tell me that they do?
Send them out and send them out.
Okay.
We hear it.
So you get complaints
So
based on then you arrest the person. So once those people are still there, they have been working more than a year or two,
and they've not been arrested.
And they've not been arrested, no.
And the complaint is also there. So you see, I have problem with NCA saying Omuni. You see, young kola
okay.
Because education, so our last Becca show and Kolano, they most often perform the more.
Okay.
They most perform the more. Me second boy. This was me. The last time, me ba na doctor so me no complain mama say, e doctor so me san no last one say okogina me wodru so. And we free abedam paso. Because of share wrestling, omugina we. You see, that is what they learn. So njakola no e hwe send them men send them out. O pese wunya sika bra na menyama. Dia na yaro ho say omo ka no masa ka cho so oh na ha de uba ye nyemujasem. So but definitely okodu ha ye the other entanglement we bekan one amount, and the entanglement is what the end kwa entice so that's what I entice what ama say we need to look at.
Okay.
In TV programs, I'm saying, the debate everybody is talking about, and it's very, very important as a nation, as a society. We need to look at it.
Okay.
We have to regulate and so very, very important.
Now, on do so, of free SHS, mean you.
With the free SHS. In fact, and Kolano could do school or no, I see almost in fact, I personally I have problem with it, honestly. And Sanya Okan, many say yes, Kassem.
Minority says,
and yes, Kassem, and yes, Kassem. The problem now acquire space and the COVID protocol. I remember when Form 1 Form Wokoi, Omuros was by, and there was that idea say abolishing free double track. I asked myself, at the same time, you pronounce it COVID protocols we all have to follow. So you're pushing at a time. How are they going to feel?
But do you know the Okan said that double track next year? That's what the president do.
Oh,
and they make it pronouncement there.
It's the president that can, yeah. Said double.
With the exception of the I think the second years, no.
It's a briefing.
First and then the final year students, no track.
Yeah, briefing he had. Maybe in terms of the protocol, the way I'm going to adjust to school. Because I believe something for go do school, they realize the number possibly may have gone up. And for that matter, to keep the protocol working, we need to create space for from one point. And maybe a man about say from 3 for no and but me I will sit here and say decision to abolish the double track, to me, but I think that it wasn't in a good direction. Yeah, because the double track media, but the campaign you take Uncle Wallace and double track and a green light, but Uncle Wallace will be sincere. The double track has been very, very good to the society and to the nation as a whole. The double track, I'm back in Colabia, Manka, or Munsem Fata, 78, or Munsem Fata, and your access to attend school. And not only to go to school, or more your access to some of the good schools, first class schools are the one of mine. To me, the double track, I was thinking, continue for at least no less than 10 years grand, in order to get young color in school, to get them in school. You see, they were talking about space. Said now space. Said double track in power or not. The ratio of teacher-student, engagement, can be reduced. I remember when I was teaching at the senior high school. In a class, I had a class now in one class. They were getting to about 70, 80. Okay, so if the double track system you are now say from 1 for no at least we can reduce them to 40, 50
na engagement no are very effective ebema teacher ni so kwan ama say if is assignment exercise that's what person okay and person the man e very easy eti enkwala ndi senior mesre enya because of fikasem no at all now it's possibly because of this protocol COVID protocol space you know and maybe a yes enkwala no mrefi at a point time no say okay
now do so na me
yeah do so my
and today ni ehuni
continuously energy minister Maya Yawese what do you call it some maintenance we are omo ye no na ama sa problem ya ba yesre Ghana for omo maye munya potelo omo maye no this thing will never last no and check within a short period the
period that omo dey mayen Greater Accra omo September October in Asante region they are giving us December because encha saying we are in the month of April
maintenance and then the maintenance deals with projection okay so the time now what their minds is the projection
okay
it could be Jumadi no moody no plano endru
but let's be sincere to ourselves. Is it the first time on Greco and as a ECG air maintenance?
Oh, it may not be the first time, but we also would possibly look at the magnitude of maintenance now, maybe or more year. But that's what I say. The magnitude of maintenance or more year can also determine this kind of you quick. In your mind, Ghana last 4 years ago. It's how we young could be more. It is a could president and the minister say a year maintenance benefit of the doubt. Now you show mu media omu dia maye because bra ye ba no ni wum den I mean you say ye ba ya you will stop it and nyame no nukure ye ba ya e try ye bedu ya for 4 years. Can you remember within the 4 years first term of Nanado how many times that would there soon? Okay, come on, do 2 days. Within the 4 years, okay, come on, do 2 days.
Okay, I'm going to go on somewhere. Zawalas, me too. Kaswa, do so free SHS ne honko.
Say Mike, I'm free SHS.
Okay.
Nana Adudankwa Kufuado, President of Ghana, that's it. In the last 4 years, the 5th year, ni the way ni no say you see hono. Obia ti mu pepe say bibia obetu ye bia obe so sesano. Okay. Bibia obetu ye bia obe say sesano. O sesano dey so a o sesano for the better, not for the worse. From President Kufuor time. Omo elementary school we use no sir. Senior from DSS. 2005. Esne wo fifi. And the floor, we are the 8%. The GHS. Omo secondary school near from say SSS. Senior secondary school. He esne wo fifi no fi ho. Na be SHS. What's the son na then? What's the son from JSS to JHS? SSS to SHS no na then. Exam no more from your friend say. West Africa Senior Secondary Certificate Education. Meanwhile, the system is senior high school. Oko senior high school and now control senior secondary school certificate examination. Oko senior high. Oh, now because I will be in Center Planning. Well, senior secondary school. Now control West Africa Senior Secondary Certificate Education. O say senior high school. Now control senior secondary school for examination. Are they? The doctors were about winning. March 15th, 2021. This is the Bosumi grammar. Oh yeah, Adina. Broker Ghana for a report no her. Bye to BECE and WASI. As GES now new educational reforms out. Check out the new system. O check ya unim change job jaba almost say so duma men kind of this year. Kindergarten, primary school, JHS and SHS shall all be described as basic school.
Yeah.
Those who kindergarten, senior high school now, we a basic, more basic education. JHS 1, JHS 2, JHS 3, and JSHS 1 shall now be referred to as BS 7, BS 8, BS 9, BS 10. Sana yede. You who class 1, and now P1, P2, P3, class 1, class 2, class 3, BS now in so oko grounder and you more. See, I can BS. Or class P3 and Granas and it is a junior secondary school, elementary school, or JHS 1, or JHS 2, or JHS 3, or senior, a friend almost all secondary school. No call from one or more for one is here from BS 10. BS 10 a day. We not didn't be so much. All students in JHS 1, SHS 1 shall run a common core program called CCP. Common Core Program, CCP, which comprises 9 subjects: maths, languages, science, RME, physical and health education, a friend said, career technology, social studies, computing and creative arts and design. Career technology near day at the secondary school level. Your friend is a new examination called National Standard Assessment Test shall be conducted at primary 2, primary 4, primary 6 and JHS 2. Class 1 4 years of it, class 3 4 years of it, class 5 4 years of it. Sana day. Oh, BECE shall be replaced by placement exams at JHS 3 to enroll students into SHS 1. The car best number fan Koraba, Prempecoli, Omdomba Tawi, Omdomba Pukuari School. BECE was also term. You have to be placement exam. Placement exam ni BECE, you need an exam. I didn't know we BECE in the floor. Now the BFL placement exam. I bet you. Sana a day, Nanado. Na a day. Poku Prempen is a 2 0. So no is a 2 Matthew. Or no, sector minister. Students in SHS shall continue to run the Common Core Program for 1 year. Thus, students into SHS 1. I feel the SHS 1. I did friend was a friend BS 10. No. Also, I SHS 1. So, shall not select science, business, or art program. Say, ye duma. Omo more from one, say, Oma Bay. Science for you, arts for you, business for you, home economics for you, we all. Omunina, yes, are common 9 subjects. Now, after 1 year, no, and we move into science, or move into business. We. Not just say, almost actual course programs, no, only 2 years now. How?
In your Juma, dear.
And the only two, say a year Juma. My qualified, say a year Juma. At SHS 2, students will now have to select either a career-related program, which include vocational and technical programs, or a high diploma such as science, whatever. So this means elective subjects are starting SHS 2. One can say BS 11 or the SHS 2. So WASI will be replaced by a university entrance exam as SHS 3. Muntian you say ye duma. Ye draw WASI no.
Yeah.
That is a year more free exam council. West Africa exam council a year more free more. Because what's in here across West Africa. So Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Gambia. And I will say WASI will be replaced by not just a Ghana, yeah, draw WASI Nubio. Placement exam they call university. I didn't know my WASI now or on your placement exam.
I think this one on the issue is a woman say also university exams, right?
Sir,
but we have the nursing training. We have the training colleges, we have the agri-colleges, we have the polytechnics. Even not all polytechnics.
It's almost a carbon on before
or more.
One watching it here, the Muntia, and another Dr. Kufu said, you will see education on any MPP. If you so Trump's here now, you saw some of you.
Oh, but the party will still be there.
May say Nanado, mean party.
So that means that Mahama
Nko ba betwa 4 years na nko be say o man na kwa na. Is that what you mean?
Me say education no. The na do ye. On say education. On say maybe 2024. Into what happens no, it doesn't it's not a scare. San America.
Okasa no kasa metopoku prempe na na sector minister. And if it's another answer maybe you are poku prempe is.
Yeah, poku prempe din president yeboni din. Free senior ha no one of so dey buy.
Company.
Nyama na do yeboni yebopoku prempe din. Tie students after successful completion of SHS3 will be rewarded a diploma certificate instead of WASI certificate. Muntio muwia eye duma certificate ma ono and go outside Ghana. Untimi fan ko bebia just say ye puma Ghana here because say ye be ma diploma certificate instead of WASI certificate because you don't write the WASI again. When you nyina na nado and eye den. O judi o na nya dipa education outside the sano. Yen NDC4 ye be ba mu in 2009. Total public secondary schools in Ghana are 492. Go and check the MPP manifesto for 2008, page 18. 492. By the time I hear free in 2017 January, no, Monko check it. Now 492, no, I get 666. 492, no, so we are no 500. 666, no, say 166. Now 492 no free wa 166 plus 8 no over 172. Now from the time of Golden Gadgesburg, go fancy premier that Timothy said Golden Gadgesburg. Niwa. ABC 2009 no there were 492 at the schools. Over a period of 8 years no 170 something any day abeka ye betu ye no. Community day secondary school. Ye tam nko na the secondary school level no uhunu school da ye to aso ba ko mienu miensa enan na je no kuku adima me time ba ko mienu miensa enan ye yi see ye tam nko awo ye sisi sa da ni nyina we started 123 of them according to Martin Opoku Prempe, the then education minister no budget statement for 2017 go and read or see a 48 of the 123 48 no na over the 4-year period no kamutimi ye ni nyina de akari nyina wi ya enka double track here ade awaken came out enka there's no way I be run double track that according to the budget for 2021 honorable chairman Sabonsu budget or say o matimi awie 28 account and so 28 o ma wi account ho no won say baby abakon kra wo ndu sia extra 28 from the 123 almost 30 year no bakon wa ha ndin ka yenu aba ntima wo kan na nka wate bi o ye 28 na bakon wa ha wo bobon so anko board ye wo northern regional asante region ha ya obi a betumi amuseni
o so bon no de na mo hwe yo no de no no kro o betumi
obi so su nani wa
okay
ntimi mi DFS and san wa kwabontin 28 ni enim ba bi e wo in spite of the additional 28 no and then could I run double tracking. Now more money no not double track near run Ghana. A triple track. Triple track nature say you were ready for when you say for ready for and you good and you green.
Ready for anything.
Ready for the one more run double track no more facilities no.
Single track schools no.
Single track schools no. So oba yenya ya guna the constituency. Kwana du ya do masamai omo run single. Oba aguna se teka omura ne single
okay
oko egeso a machan kroma na achina krom omura ne single oko isansi bontewufu a omura ne single
okay
all those almost single ni nyina of facilities no am betimi contain all form 1 all form 2 all form 3 in classrooms in dormitories in dining halls as we speak all those single track schools no we are from already no form 3 for nyina wo fie adintra. The facilities are there, so why are they home? Okay. As we speak, form 2 for yellow for last year this time, and I'm going to tell you about this time. I'm going to tell you the whole year. At the January as a match, I'm going to class almost Easter, and I'm Green for no, I'm more form 2 no, omo tifie and all form 3 gold all form 3 green omo tifie into the whole of form 3 etifie uni wa I didn't know because of no
because about 13 minutes on education ko onko dum so so am si dum so ni ho o be awoti no hu no sa me but me free fie be 7 o'clock right so kan o mudum kan ya be 2:30 am ni en so normally no enka o mudum no anado o mo horon do mu no
anado ye di o mudum no anado e bia 9 o'clock 10 o'clock there about no madu e bo be 2:30 am I must be frank na aso and the bed running the whole day the whole afternoon the whole night up to sawi no but since so muna say pedia and no nsia kra anado da gwagu for wa be sai wa be gin kania so na mon men kana men san kasi su bio se ye NDC e ba mu 2009 na dum so ho obi obeka se dum so ni hono oboa go and check it total installed capacity for Ghana in 1992 energy na 1920 megawatts from Gordon Gadgesburg 1920 megawatts at that time no at peak time no near here a total of 2300 megawatts into here 2300 megawatts now 1920 now peak time draw how can you say the last will continue to be there for all that be na 2015 thereabouts no and President John Mahama was starting here say that problem he will fix it and Ameri ebaye car power 1 ebaye car power 2 ebaye Sogli expand here Takrade we expand here until by 2017 January aye kono according to Peter Mewu no energy minister was na don't far even a single megawatt enka ho meboa onkan Peter Mewu wanka mo bia ante T-Men's say honorable there were 5,300 megawatts installed capacity now the total was available no 5,300 or the infant of 5,000 and was say so bia so ne kania industry jina so kania and as almost all machines na use to drive Ghana what we call the peak period now you hear a maximum of 2,730 and do here 2,730 for ease of calculation let's make it 2,700 and now we install capacity you want here 5,000 said you want a bro you here so by 2,300 megawatts intelligent nation dunkania why so 5,000 now we have 2,000
maintenance and then
idea maintenance
when you away
idea maintenance one more because agree code for the kai ECG for the kai what we say sa huma na ni nam so a enyinam kwane na gina mu 1957 and the Ghana
is
ache ena omo esisa no
ye dey see for
o kasa e be si no hu omo ye kontompo fo they say MPP party no kontompo pa party na braba fo pa party no krasa pa party MPP semai Betna Kumasi ha 1967 January 1967 January no baby a ECG was here low cost one near pro electricity saakwa na ye power plants generators akasia in the CC ho and no motor gas oil boom and ye pump ye one say na ayo sa time na kosombo ma ha na sa power lights no the pilots no ye CC ma ha 1967 now 1967 South America
okay so let's first
northern region northern region those times no now upper east upper west no north the present northern region we ne boom back up friend northern region na electricity enko ho na VRA eni ho na akosombo ni ho as late as 1992
Rollins
Adubuahi as the presidential candidate of the MPP at that time oko wale ba umia ekrom honorable ekrom and o maka chele say yesre wa momre ye kanea bi munti esemfo kwase ebu o mubumo unim dia Adubuahi ka chele MPP fo ka chele say MPP Adubuahi kan am bia aka wasi na esemfo dia mumu ya ade military here dey monto kanea lantern na monfa kerosene emum na monso na monfa guta na monfa nanti munhia saa nyinam kanea no afa so monto bobo sabuni bobo de mame alata odedo ton ade bayire ni dokuno anajo no onu bi ena dubu ayin ka to 1992 VRA was not there. It is our power lines now we can say from 1957 no as at 1992 na enko
right.
Live on
Kumawood television.
Enyaro ahodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eniyare akomayare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso aye de aba adwaman so aye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi yaro ahodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne ewo Madam Katri clinic yare nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Enyaro ahodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eniyare akomayare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akom
asante memu akonfo ne yedo do wasen nso boni ekoso no amro ben eya kristofo ene nkrambofo enti ye nyame so na nyam kwase anyame na yeso obi o ho amene wo kase stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra enti difo no nim to de yesu no de moti abafie difo mu obekọ puppet so ajo owensa difo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena osuko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam wusika ena ayira na hohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 senenso se malam onye sikaduro onye double money pocket no dry azafo no mo yesa ade no ne kronkron original and Mala Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center and the Asia Benada Bia 7 to 9 p.m. Our Kumawood TV near found live our Unity FM our Kumawood TV Aya TV na into me wow Piao
Well I will Pia I say you free moon why the den it's slower we na fa kokko we na say dia wa woni tua wo fa say no mo ma ye dena ma menti we we na na wo yere na mfa nkonkoye digma na ma no wai so wa
ebusa yenko yenko Kumase
munko Kumase
Martin Luther oh na it's been a long time oh yeah
me say minia obra kwantu ya wo semina na ma ya nka twene ni ahwedan yo na busia fani asoma me se me na me pada e wo Kumase akamara na me so ya chini ye nya adaka yi
Yeah, Nansani.
Nansa mu na mo that's why. Wo hia me de we need problem kra. Wo be je di say me free Dubai be duru Ghana. Ana me na na kwabere ntwi. Wo to na nanom ansia do. Me eje yi ni problem so. E wo abere de me ni kapre. Odu obi na kire me go straight casket shop. Ah e wo Kumasi labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu musa ni me yes kan hye o.
You dey be ntwa no. Misika ya di ma me se me papa no. Iswa afi so yese me ambulance. Na me sam pe de be da no enka
ambulance any de be down omo ya ambulance service into any problem kra any na ye here ni say u be na sika kakra bi di ato ase you know say Kumasi stay by plan no ye kwena mo kwatira o some Cosway casket shop here ye wona ka mebere te say de mo hu nyina Cosway casket shop ye wo Kumasi in front of New Town ye dey labor office na ben Cosway casket shop ana we are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Kumawood TV.
Right, yes, I am Akwaba Ugoso Sinopi live on Kumawood television. But I said so, say Nyame Eya Domwa. Da Kwesiada 11th, 11 a.m. Pepe Sunday Ebeyano. Abek Gala Fest 2021. Abek Gala Fest. We assembly member Honorable Bidiako. Appeared Mena Okoben electoral area. Or the Galaxy pa so in the electoral area. We because of Kokobing School Park Nyagro Kra who wins this Gala Fest. Is it going to be a Pierdu Kokobing Bodi Anasa Emina Nyagro? Did do another share ho Nina no et me attention pum amano et me IF. You go so Edi Enkomo we say good evening, Sir Mike. I'm Jonas watching you from Suhum. I like the show. Tell Sewalas, I love him. Okay, Sewalas, you know, see Odopa. We say good evening. The NPP man is doing well. You must fire more. Okay, and so the Abba and I say thanks so much for discussing doom. So we are dying in this country. Let the NPP accept that we are dying. Okay, the message on also Eddie Abba and Father Abraham can was say good evening, Sir Mike. Ghanaians are tired and suffering under President Akufo-Addo. Despite all this economic hardship in the country, Ghana is now in the state of doomsday, but this government is defending indefensible. Anyway, God save us from this reckless and super incompetent, corrupt government. I say his regards to lawyer Elizabeth Ofuso-Jare, MP for Techiman North, and then Chairman Unas Usu NDC Regional Chairman Techiman. Okay, we are James Opoku, Deputy Youth Organizer. What Techiman North, and we Otimi Ade Abba. Dr. Baba Zamu, Master Planner Kintampo, also Honorable Kwesi, has really spoken well. God bless him for the good work he is doing. Wishing him all the best in his political career. I will be very grateful to have his contact. Okay, the number of them now it me at the amount. Was it good evening, Samai? Free SHS is not collapsing. Tell the NDC man to stop the propaganda. In any way, if it's BS9, what is wrong with it? Okay, so Eddie, well, Miss Amra, Sawalas. Yeah. Yes, I share illegal mining, do so free SHS. So when to me, I'm more doom so no. Okay, because I'm a best.
More doom so no.
Yes, I'll finish. No. I started with him, so the second run I have to start with him.
Sir, doom so ya come was ECG and Greco and energy minister. They are not being truthful to us.
Are they?
About a month ago in March, Greco for the catcher said, "Omo ye ECC in 3 months' time." Sir, doom so no be die. March 3 months ahead, you say April may do. After that, normal can say July. Almost can say August. And I ECG for say December. Until Emudia in November. July, August, December, Emudia in November. The young funny the ECG for can be all no distribution, retail distribution. Say Greco for the Omonia wholesale distribution. Will be produced no the money in bulk. Now or no, at the Ama ECG, now ECG for they supply accordingly. The ECG for say, Kumasi for Muntian you, or say expect Sadum Soy to go on and on and on until the end of December. Not just say, Bosumia way any mina a few way, Nina do so no, bar neighbor. It is a bad ECG for my timetable. Or Timmy, Tanoso for near Buakonia Dina, Mobeda Sumu, Cosera Mbina, a free haircut, or some better Sumu that same beer, no beer prepare, no projected. So now, I said, Meka, I said, mean candidate, David, on the Yamai. Now, him Kuma say for you, and I can say, Doomsaw is collapsing our business. Cold store owners cry. Doomsaw is collapsing our business. Kumasi cold store owners and are able to cold store operators at the Asapo market in Kumasi, the Ashanti regional capital city, they are gradually losing their business due to the erratic power supply. According to them, they have had to dispose of hundreds of cartons of spoiled fish due to months of unavailable power supply. The traders have also been saddled with the cost of repairing their huge industrial fridges that have been broken down as a result of the power challenges. Inti Electricity Corporation for Matthew Opoku Prempe, a new energy minister. Ne Greco for Mosi Doomso my. A mile or more for market. Our more cold store operators, almost free that Kesia, almost say. Can you dum near so no? As she says, she fridges no motor soon. As say, almost fridges. Indeed, and now the Danko Kupuado, that's a almost mean country or say. With the Momo timetable. Oh, son in that. I just say, Susa, you cried in ice block. In this watching and Sokra no duna, no who's a meduna. Watching our own far face no anything, and I call Yakuduma Manase. So, ain't woman account. Time one year, what be Muse, or Muku store, and nay, and Womo Mutiso, almost Aboma Pampason. Sana tomato for more imported tomatoes from Burkina, on some Abomatiso Pampasoda, last month. Meboa mining. What did you say? Community mining, no, and what? Into Yai, own pattern. Attaching Unkubusano. Attaching a car say. Galam say mining, number two, drew or changing fence wall. Attaching a guy. Regional Minister, Eastern Region, 104, we do for. The mean to me who's on one or Master retainer. What's your bedroom, baby? No, Command Duncan. Command Duncan, there's all Central Region. Okay, what's the Eastern Region? Eastern Region. That's another do for an IBB. What kind of 2017 2018? Or sister or Chini or Saja Fukun here. The bedroom baby need to do so and him inside. Anna, Wanga, what's able to know inside? Brim River. Send a near crossing. Yes, a jaggalam say, Upa Tremo, Adio, one would say near a call. What to get say a 12 we under community mining. I will have friend because the young too. What 12 more for the past 4 years in a team area, a team of worker area, more to get them say, sir, Obia carry. A friend will be super to you. Community mining, no. Emfa property no be between there into what 2 years we are and can see a two go there is nothing there again. What in Nana Mr. GMPC. Normally last 2 years or more changing 1.5 million Ghana cedis. So from India. No project as part of the anniversary. No. Exactly. Yeah. As part of a project 1.5 million. And yes, some man 300,000 Ghana cedis 1.8 million. Yes, we are 2.5 million over a period of 5 years. Every year be 500,000. GMPC for the man on film and sending more of it. Say be 500,000, 1.5 in 3 years and what you're saying? Oh, Mrs. Ubo be do myself okay. But I mean can't be bio. Men can't say Unui. Okay. And I mean can't say with ya. But the American say Achima Buaka enclave ring in I quiet that. Achima Buaka Honomo. That's a deal. Me dem aka masem. Enti 500,000 a year, 3 years ni. GMPC, muna mudi sika no koye. For me dem me ka say di ma o change no. Ya di ma change buakwa traditional area no. So enti monko na monko ye my friend say auditing. Okay. Na ye nhwe say ye bia 500 da. Say ye bia fine. Ye bia ya umusa de ntia ye ma osika 1.5 million. Na je say afi bia 300,000 Ghana cedis o. Monko busa say ye bia kama ye nyina boy yen sem pa ye bia ya na ye busa say aden e bia say me say me kan me ka say o ti hino. Me say achim abuakwa traditional area because no change na ne bedua. Okay. But galam say ni de community man ni de. Say me producer achim abuakwa traditional area and I will say a create problem for you baby a create good things for those people and then those people must be allowed to mine. Cause bro ni China foi. I say me producer ye num kitin ye free kro ma be man ni ade ni e de ko na ye wo Ghana ha no community no aka bom na wo ma ato asase ana so ya ma wo asase no mo ya usi nyai. Okay baba mentio
yo me da say that the answer na me question am say Uncle Wallace can say be we say me flit kakra concerning education but I was expecting Uncle Wallace being a former teacher to be extremely happy for this reform. GS ebe rule but mi hunu bi bonni bia e was reform we a opeso wo term ni say ebe collapse and say ebe gu education system o se bo amfaso ni so o se my BS9 BS10 no amfaso na say Mickey design okay it's a design however it is no in education the most important thing is the content in our film. There's another woman who can he was trying to condemn say at SS1 going on mobile call subject. In fact one of the ideas are even Okoford teachers are campaigning for talking for saying kolane ba yemo a very core subject na kan kolane nyina nyanti ko mo ko mo nim no then they select Omoford of study. Mekai during answer na president of work no. So what happens to teachers omochers and kolana dey na if you omochers elective subjects no. No, the elective subjects are not going to collapse. They are going to teach. Me pesa me reference kakra. 2008, 2009. That was when we had implemented near 4 years education system. Very good. The 4 years system no had first year doing core subjects alone. Very good. At that time, those core elective teachers, some of them were brought to come and teach some of the core subjects. For example, a teacher watch their job can come back and teach social studies. For example, a teacher watch their, for example, literature. English language, because in English language we have an aspect of literature. This new reform through Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency, run out. It's all for the betterment of the educational system. Okay. Again, no can be said BEC placement. Now, I don't think it's a problem. It's virtually the same as the BCM placement exams. Okay. Now the person says that's stress now. Yeah, now in Kolanu woman, and now the person say free. From Kolanu, fully so free. Write the exams and be played accordingly. So what I say? Then talking about abolishing. Wait, what's that? Wasi. Now abolishing Wasi. Now the person best say schools. Oh, you said it. Was it because I said was it a person was saying your education system and you know year free. Oh, that's what he said. Okay. And me say the late former president Mills over here obey that 3 or 4 year system na they had intentions on some say education no enya sir okay the all year na
for na year
Mickey
because
I've been a teacher
na year dey anka mobile most na dey for na is that war man no ana
Mickey your problem with how you see enroll in educational programs okay 4 years system na me ko no Uncle Wallace ya obey honest to himself it was one of the best na in fact ade ba ko NDC for the hard mind in terms of education that 4 year system now because of campaign message bia omo keka yenti no omo ba ye na omo ba betwa abu okay so eti message that education no dey ma Uncle Wallace emfa nye sa ni on for politics ya dia for the betterment
it will be on illegal man
illegal man answer na illegal man dem say just one day the so called omo person force one man be do so we are still saying say Ghana yen code do so routine maintenance na no na anke wala se ni abre na yen for timetable any timetable be the by if say yen code do so mu maintenance ayeka within a short time like we said ye be solve problem in Ghana ye ni beje ye be ya ho a se na do aka no enche momma no sa akonya no opoku prempa aka ma opoku prempa aka minister Greco for so aka ECG for so aka se ni o maka no sere mo pepepe mo de mo sa akonya no se mo ombe ya ma and then concerning illegal mining
community mining community mining right mama mi ahoma no so ntum ti edin komo abetimi afre oba you lower the volume of your TV set na fi yetimi adin komo
with illegal mine or community mining because I'm say this time now you have moved away from the illegal to the community in fact say nanaka say ono nimpeso so on ya baby me nyi ni say ofum if you say me no me enu nyina no ye hunu ekwanya this mining na nkasa no e de yen e fa so o hawa mining we e de ebre o mine ake wala they only beji because it was their campaign message say ye mum to abama o ma illegal mining garam say ye betu biem okay friends kwakubu ahe unfortunately my son before no ka meba mo tie kwakubu ahe and other NDC guys do well on the Duka area campaigning say ye to abanima wo mu illegal mining say ye ba mo betu say dem mutu suo no ati na na ba ye say ye no this community level no and if you de mo no be call in that angle say but they are watching air can but me support it say we say on ka say Ghana we say on taking it in pesua so watching man so on pinima simply because who
okay my main fact course na kra hello good evening hello
me mama do
okay
hello
abani odi na be free until
na me pam cha put me
well Mr. Mente wonka e wo me ha say nti
hello what me ka
hello yeah abani kasa
hello na me ka say ye kan na ko no panini man ke dia
so say okasa but because how are mining
more friend I think say be to be for course no because me ntebun kan studio the madaroma eguso but ye fancy
no can't dream river me no mienu ye twam konkran ye twam before then say the nsuo na nitie and now say the nsuo nitie
now what you saying
say so anya okay yenye it is enya no na se na na etna wa ma sabi enso ya sai kura dabi enso ka se ni ono no ni manso no ompene a odi ka
Right, yeah, faster, emfa, emamo, mumfancha pa, in fact, me emfa, mo course no. Sana, so what else?
Nana, do that for them, so I appointment.
So, almost a memfa, and to the Yashi, my memfa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Chairman.
Yes, we didn't be afraid from you. Oh, okay. So on a match, no. By Kokobin for baby minimum. Mintio. Wakasa.
NBC ló jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ tó yà á. Ọjọ́ ìjọba fún ẹ̀wọ̀n náà fún àgbẹ̀dá Áfíríkà. Àgbẹ̀wọ́lá. Màlẹ́ ń kẹ́ńtì òkú. Ní ọ̀bà. Ní àwọn ọba àti ìyàwó tí náà mẹ́ta lọ́kọ́ ẹ̀dí àtẹ̀wò. Mo sọ̀rọ̀ NBC ló ti rọ̀ bẹ̀ bá tẹ̀wò. NPP ẹ̀jẹ̀ nínú ẹ̀gbẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ playground. Nígbà yẹn dájú kò wọ́n ní pé nìyí ní àwọn ilé ẹ̀dí sọ́ọ̀bẹ̀. Àbàìpọ́pọ́ àwọn ọjọ́ ìgbàlá fún ẹni ọ̀pẹ́ tó dára fún ní àpapọ̀ kọ́tù lẹ́bàá yìí. The church took on the money and I'm not to go. Who can't hear the church of one for that? Over I am not there to get for the children. And then about education, I know you go for the guy from the running me. And the fuck can show you what the people wish they think is anything like that. No one got to do my damn letter, but they are to run to one. We are breaking the eight.
Okay. Honorable, yes, sir, that's appear do a man of way from Ima Nkoko or say, people of Ghana, it's high time to speak the truth. Ghana's education sector is collapsing. Abba, I don't know. Was it good evening? Sir Mike, in fact, Ghana education is now collapsing. If they bring this reform, Francis Tachiman, Mono East region, okay? Fancy the Abano. Tell Uncle Wallace to keep quiet. We will not entertain NDC again in Ghana, okay? Christian Edu, and so Eddie, no. So Wallace, Emre, no, Emre, but then
Nana Edo, while name regional ministers and one name substantive ministers, deputies, any MMCs, no, Omo Madino,
Emrantem.
Say, yes, aha, Yasuka.
No. Aha, Kumasimetu.
Okay, Kumasimetu. Asuka na mno mwashi yenu. Asuka MC. Akoniasa Jima Neba. I'm no call radio, Capital Radio, 2011, 2012.
He's a nice person.
Very nice person. There is one thing I am pleading with Nanado to retain him for one thing.
Okay.
Municipal Assembly building. It's a new Asafo. School hall. Primary hall. So big structures, big issue. Sign it and I started.
Okay.
And we him baby a group. And we him said he started.
I can't to about. Then another has to face it just. Oh,
no, starting free SHS. Free SHS were there in 2015, 2016.
Napco.
2015, 2016 was there. Napco. Nanado Bamia Company. That's all company.
So you're not about your company. Oh, reason is
I don't think they retain another in 2020. I didn't hear tomorrow. So one of the reasons there on to us when you are starting here. I'm giving a reason for why that person might be retained.
Came the Comunia Banahenia and Suta DC.
Now, one bapping. Opening Suta Bedi, I do one company. Look, Massive.
Oh, head you man, one or one.
Oh, yeah, dear, one Kumawood. Yes, Ajakum. Oh, and be quiet. Yeah. The only person, two people are Matimama, we district hospital. Be quiet, Tepa. Well, I'm saying, sir, when you say you man on America, you say, okay, who building near mighty power? Oh, yeah, dear. Very, very, very good. Big and mighty. Sir, for that alone, no. Even for that alone, no.
Okay. Nanado. Sunday we ye ware Kumawood. Ye nipa ba ko kese ba ko pa ware. Atasa akode.
That's right.
Movie actor Kumawood. So ata sa akode ware gift was say. Was City Hotel Francho. Na ware na 6 o.
6 a.m.
6 a.m. Tudo sister tia bani afọ.
Si obi ana.
Bani afọ si obi ana. Ata ya we so happy married.
Awari ata misro ya sembisa.
Covid ye so ba na chede pa wo ko.
Ata I say no uncle wala say awari yi say covid just 8 ni 9 wo.
We ba me you sorry.
No man ko we be no mo ya wo jo.
Yo the uncle wala can see one justification. Actually say na no dankwa Kufuado onim ne ye. Onim de ye ma ne man. Eti ni appointment bi obi make bia no free bia ni hu and so stress Ghana for bra twice how to abama na do no ya nye mfomso bia because if na do tini e appoint papa ya anke wala so eti hey o di ni ho dance say ensamment na it means na do dankwa Kufuado his excellency what super on the same na so yo na dem be say me kakra efa breaking the 8 nene we know the message me party for
obi anya botre na mo support na
the na pan say
emfa seda emfa Gospel Casket shop Kumasi Asafo Labor Roundabout and Gospel Casket the wo sawana me pacho sanso and Kumawood Training Institute nyame ado on the 17th and ye be kire okatai the first of the year chair tomato paste tomato ice cream with this side car tracking device and have a stretch mark akwa be me I cream e dey remove e be person odun wuche 250 Ghana cedis and I eji o 0244 294066 0244294066 we know Kumawood Training Institute Malam Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center Kumawood bi o ha obi afa bana malam emwo adwuma asem na den bra na omo ya adwuma so na opese adwuma tu mpon abo beboa wo yare bi ha obi anso malam se bra Kumawood bi na omo 024664 67247 0246 647 from Malam na ontumi emwa Tawhid na Topaya Clinic enso eboaye Tawhid yare bi akọ na omomwa omo Kumasi Odum Body Junction and omwo 0278626262 midin ede se Mike Kumawood TV otie se walas enka sanso na ofori bempa enso enka nyame atomo a edwada yebehia yakra
Enyaro ahodo pen na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo Tawhid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie nipadua no ne titiw ede ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonic eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso a ye de aba adwaman so a ye de hwehwe nipadua ni mu eyi ya ro hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumasi Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic ya re nyina last time
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agi atum se eye
Oti animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akon
asante maimu akonfo ne yedo wasen enso boni ekoso no amro ben eya kristofo ene nkrembofo enti yenya me so na nya nkwase anya me na yeso obi wo ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra enti difo no nimto de yesu no de motia ba fie difo mu obekọ puppet so jo owensa difo mu awi tramadol masa
piao so ho adwiriw ene danta de bibo ano Malam Muhammad